Hello, once again I will welcome all of you for this session of conversion. That is again some of the examples decimal to the binary conversion. Now again I will take one more example, that is 12.75, that is in decimal. You should have to convert to the binary. You should have to follow the same procedure steps. First I will take the 12. Again it will be divided by 2. 2 6 the 12, 0 remainder. Again 2 3 is a 6, 0 remainder. 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder. That is, I can write it as 1 1 0 0. That is only the part of 12. Again I should have to come for 75, that is 0.75. I should have to take that is 0.75, that will be multiplied by 2 here. Here before this decimal point, if whatever the number is given, you should have to go for dividing, and after this decimal point, if it is anything is given, you should have to go for multiplication. Whether which conversion they were asking. For example, if it is asking for binary, you should have to multiply by binary. Suppose if it is asking for octal, then you should have to multiply by 8. Similarly, if it is asking for hexadecimal, you should have to multiply with 16. First I will come for this. That is 0.75 into 2, that is 1.50. Okay, then again I should have to take only the digits after this decimal point, that is 0.50. I should have to take again 0.50 into 2. I'll get 1.00. Once you get the 00 after this decimal point, stop here only, or else go for nearly 3 to 4 steps. Okay, now again from top to the bottom I should have to write, that is 1 1. Here I am having 1 1 for the bits 0.75, and for the 12 I am having 1 1 0 0. Here combiningly if I am writing, I will get 1 1 0 0. This is for the 12, and again point for 0.75 I am getting 1 1. This is the answer. Conversion of 12.75, that is in decimal, to the binary. Okay, again I will take one more example, that is 5.26, which is in decimal. You should have to convert to the binary number system. Again the same steps. 5, that will be divided by 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 1 is remainder. Again 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. How I can write from LSB to the MSB? Okay, like this. I will write it as 1 0 1. This is for only 5. Again if I go for 0.26, multiplication will be there, that will be multiplied by 2. I will get 0.52 for the first term. Again I should have to take 0.52, that will be again multiplied by 2. Then I will get 4. 1.04. Okay, again I should have to take 0.4 only, 0.04 only. I'll get 0.08. Okay, again one more last step, 0.08, that will be multiplied by 2. You'll get 0.16. Okay, again writing from top to the bottom, 0 1 0 0. This is 0 1 0 0. Combiningly if I want to write 5, for the 5 I can write as 101. For the 0.26 I can write 0 1 0 0. That is 101.0100. This is the conversion of 5.26 to the binary number system. I hope these are the examples are sufficient for conversion of decimal to the binary number system.